Hey, what's up? Welcome to Degen Ed. That's degenerative education, meaning none of this is financial advice. Just me having fun looking at charts like the chart behind me, which is of Biora Therapeutics, ticker symbol BIOR. And so I just wanted to do a follow-up on last week's video that came out, I believe, on January 17th. So on this day when we had a nearly 13% down day, and it does look like that was the last day that we were outside of this white downtrending channel that we had been in for a while. So we had broken above briefly for a few days, but then pulled back in. And things have not been so great since then. We did get another big red candle day, about almost 11% on the 18th. And then Friday last week, we did go down just over 6%. And I am recording this before the market opens on January 25th, so Thursday. And so the day following these big red candle days, which was, Monday of this week, we did get the lowest price of the stock's history, which was 75.6 cents. But that does look like it turned into a dragonfly doji, which at the base of this kind of downtrend does suggest a reversal. So I do think that is a good thing. And on this day, I got an interesting comment that I wanted to share with you guys. I'll share with you in just a second. But following that day, on Tuesday, we did get a big move up, a retest of $1.10, which was the pre-market low before we had, this big move up to $2.32 in the after hours. That was on November 30th. And so that level, that $1.10 level, does seem to be pretty significant because that was the high on Tuesday, January 23rd, not only getting rejected from that level, but also getting rejected from the top of the white downtrending channel. And then just yesterday, Wednesday, January 24th, we did get a red day, down almost 7% on the day, and it does look like that is a bearish engulfing candle. So that does suggest further downside is coming. So do prepare for that. But as I view it, view any downside as good opportunities to either pick up more shares or, just to wait, stand on the sidelines and, hang out. And so that's kind of what I wanted to talk about with this big drop on the 22nd, because I think mindset is a really good thing to think about. And before I do go over that, though, I should mention this downtrending channel, the blue and red channel that's shaded here. We have been residing in that for a while. Rather than extending it out, which would just, drop it more, so we'd still be inside of that channel. I have just extended it from this last point on the 17th when I made that last video. So it does look like we are trading below it. And if we are to continue in the white downtrending channel, that would suggest we will be continuing to trade below this shaded channel. So do prepare for that. But, if price does start to move back into this shaded channel, that could be a breaking out of the white channel. So that could be a really good thing. So just something to be keeping in mind. But yeah, like I said, on the 22nd, so on Monday, I got this really interesting comment from someone. I've scribbled out their name. Hopefully this is all right that I'm sharing this. I did post this on the community page of the channel, so do check that out if you like seeing posts like this. And so somebody wrote, I posted this one day ago, and they posted their comment one day ago. So that was on this big low day when the price went down, only almost 2% on the day, but overall, let's see, the stock price did go down. Looks like, 16%, more than 16% from the previous day's close. So that was pretty red day, but it did turn around as you see here. And so this person wrote, imagine investing a legitimate amount of money into this company when it went public, say $500K. How could BIOR argue that that wasn't the worst investment of someone's life? How could they rationalize that some person investing even more? This company has produced nothing of value in what, 4 years? This seems like the exact kind of trap Warren Buffett warns people about. And so for me, from my perspective, I was going to respond, I can't even imagine, $500,000. But, I decided to have fun with it because I just think that this kind of sentiment is really, not that good. When something's down, if you have conviction in it, you should be happy that price is down so you can accumulate more. And so I responded as Ed, who's over there, who doesn't think about anything other than bananas. I can't even imagine how many bananas that could buy. At 19 cents per banana at Trader Joe's, that is a lot of bananas. Why invest at all? Certainly cheaper to buy now than when first listed, so I don't know. BTFD. Buy the effing dip. Shrug. And so, I reposted that with the comment up here of comments are a great place to judge sentiment and do the exact opposite. Yesterday, so as in a couple days ago, BIOR hit a new low of 75.6 cents and is now above $1, up 30% from that low. Trade the charts, not your emotions. And so if we do look at the chart, that following day, price went up to $1.10, but did close, unfortunately, at 97.10 cents, so below $1, which we will want to get back up above $1 at some point. The last time we did close above that level was on this day, I believe. Let's see. Yeah, on January 17th, we closed at $1.09. So that's the last time we closed above that level. We do want to be paying attention to that. While we do see this pullback, we do see this bearish engulfing candle. If we do see lower prices than, 75.6 cents, I do think it is good to keep in mind what you're holding and that is a discounted price compared to, what we've purchased at before. I'm a shareholder and I have bought higher. So I do think that is a discount. And the way that I approach this is, I believe the low on January 19th, was 87 cents. And so what I did is I just placed an order after that day at 87 cents. And so, if price does return to those levels, I get prices at an all-time low, 87 cents. If it goes lower, that's all right. I just chill out. And so now, what I will do if price does go back to 75.6 cents, I'll just place an order there. I'll pick up some shares. If it stays lower, that's fine. I'll wait, reevaluate, and I'll place another order. If it goes back higher, that's fine. I'll wait, I'll hold, I'll see what happens. And really, I think that what's going on with the company right now is, kind of a waiting game. We need to wait for their clinical trials to go through. And I think in the meantime, a great thing to do is explore their website, learn more about what they're producing, learn more about the breakthroughs that they're going to be having. And, this tab here, the pipeline, you can look at targeted therapeutics. This goes over some of the stuff that they're working on, like this little capsule, the NaviCap, that I think is, great technology. I'm really excited about it. I think it's going to be groundbreaking. And I think that the price is going to go up a lot as a result of it. And another thing that you can do is they've got some videos and stuff on their website. You can check those out to learn more about the company, learn more about what you hold, and have more conviction in that. And so, that is what I'm doing. I am patiently waiting to return to the levels that I feel the price that the stock is worth, that the company is worth. But in the meantime, I am patiently waiting, buying the dip when I can, and just hanging out, no big deal. And, so hopefully that was helpful. If it was, make sure you like the video, share your thoughts in the comments down below, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks a lot for watching.